Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Temi Jo, the YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria, and I'm the creative director of ARTISTRY. Guys, this look is so beautiful and it took less than an hour to create. Like, you want to just watch and see how we created this beautiful and seamless finish. So stay tuned guys and enjoy the rest of the video. After hydrating our skin with my setting spray, I went into my serum, my niacinamide serum from Avour makeup, and I applied that generously over our face. And next I'm going in with my moisturizer from Blossom. Also I'm going to put a list of all the products I use in my description box below, so you want to check that out. So I'm just making sure that the moisturizer sits in properly, and you want to make sure that every step gets dried up. It's quite important. So next I'm going in with my foundation. I'm using this foundation from Blackup. Sorry I didn't show you, but that's foundation I used for her, and I'm making sure that it's well blended and it gives a seamless finish. So next I'm going to be going into my concealer from Avour Cosmetics, and I'm going to be applying that underneath her eyes, the bridge of her nose, her forehead and her chin. So I like to first of all blend out the ones that are not underneath the eyes. That means I just want to blend out the T-zone first before I blend out underneath the eyes, just because I like when I have full coverage underneath the eyes, so that way the concealer will have sat in for long and absorbed properly into the skin, and that way it gives a fuller coverage. So while I'm blending my concealer, I also like to extend it, give this sharp edge, and also extend it upward so that it gives the face a more lifted look. And here I also use that concealer on our lid because I want to be using that as a primer today. So after I apply all my concealers and blend them, I like to go in with the foundation brush I use to blend out that foundation, just to blend out the edges so it's not hashy. So all I'm doing here is just setting the face in my setting powder from Flawless Ivy. I'm not baking, I'm just setting that down. And now I'm contouring her nose with a dark shade for my powder palette. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm just contouring the rest of her face. That's the cheekbone, the forehead, and also the jawline. That's what I'm doing here. Next I'm going to be using my setting powder from Flawless Ivy to bake the areas that I highlighted, especially underneath the eyes, and I'm just creating a reverse contour with that same setting powder. So next I'm going into the foundation, the eyeshadow look now, and I'm going into that brown shade for my Zikel palette. I'm using that as a transition color. And you want to make sure you blend properly, so that's what I'm just doing, making sure that eyeshadow is well blended so there are no harsh lines. So next I'm going into that brown color also, and I'm also still going to be using that as a transition color to further blend out that dark brown I used initially, just to diffuse everything on it so that it looks seamless and beautiful. So now I'm just going into my concealer again, just to use that as the base for my lid color, and I'm just going to be blending that, and that's the color I'm going to be using as the main color for my lids. I really love this beautiful color. It's a orangish color, brownish orange. I don't know if there's a word like that, but it's really nice. There's a color like that. It's really beautiful, and just going with this look, it's so perfect. So you want to make sure that you spread that out nicely and it's well blended. So I'm just making sure that everything is well blended together. So next I'll be going into my gel liner from Color Beauty, and I'm using that as the liner for today. I'm using that in my inner eyes also, to just make sure that eye pops. I'm not really doing too much, so I'm smudging in the main eyeshadow color. The colors I used as the eyeshadow is what I was smudging in under the eyes. And then next I'm just going to be blending all together with a powder shade from my Beauty powder palette. You want to make sure it's well blended, guys. I now finish with a setting spray from my Beauty. So guys, I'm done fixing the lashes. I didn't want this video to be too long, so I fixed the lashes off camera. I'm just going in my blush, beautiful blush, and also using an highlighter, but I'm not using so much. I'm just going in like mildly. Next we go on to the lips, and I'm lining our lips with a brown pencil from Zaron Beauty, and you want to make sure that it's well lined and beautiful. So that's what I'm doing here. Next I go in with that concealer I used for highlighting and the lid color. I'm using that as a lipstick today. Yes, you can actually use a concealer to achieve a very beautiful nude lip. So that's what I'm doing here. I applied my lip gloss and using my finishing spray from Effortless IV, and we're done. Voila, this is the beautiful finished look. Like, I loved this look. This look was so, from the video you can see that the look was really fast. Like, she was rushing somewhere and we needed to do this look, and it came out so beautiful. I wish I could have posted that or shown her reaction when she saw herself. She was just screaming that wow, like a siren. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, please share my videos with your friends, your sister, your loved ones, and just leave comments of what you love about this look, and I'll appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.